Welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today, let's study 25 important previous year questions. If you not yet subscribe my channel and enable bell icon to get all notifications. Let's start. Here is our first question. The first martyr of 1857 revolt. Answer: Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was the first martyr of 1857 revolt. Second question. The first female governor of India. Answer: Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was the first female governor of India. Third question. First Indian woman who summited Mount Everest twice. Answer: Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav is the first Indian woman who summited Mount Everest 2 times. Fourth question. Founder of Brahma Samaj. Answer: Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the founder of Brahma Samaj. Next question. In which city J.P. Saunders was killed? Answer: Lahore. J.P. Saunders was killed in Lahore city. Sixth question. Who said back to Vedas? Answer: Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati said back to Vedas. Seventh question. Real name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Answer: Moolshankar. Moolshankar was the childhood name and real name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Eighth question. When was Vasco da Gama came into India? Answer: 1498 AD. In the year 1498, Vasco da Gama came into India. Ninth question. When was East India Company established in India? Answer: 1600 AD. East India Company was established in India in 1600 AD. Now let's see our 10th question. After leaving Congress, Subhash Chandra Bose founded which organization? Answer: All India Forward Bloc. The organization founded by Subhash Chandra Bose after leaving the Congress was All India Forward Bloc. 11th question. Who is known as Punjab Kesari? Answer: Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai is known as Punjab Kesari. 12th question. Akbar was impressed by which Sikh Guru? Answer: Guru Ramdas. Akbar was impressed by Guru Ramdas. 13th question. Guru Nanak Dev was born in which place? Answer: Nankana Sahib. The birthplace of Guru Nanak Dev was Nankana Sahib. 14th question. Vijay Ghat in Delhi is associated with whom? Answer: Lal Bahadur Shastri. Vijay Ghat is associated with Lal Bahadur Shastri. 15th question. Who was the permanent president of Constituent Assembly? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the permanent president of Constituent Assembly. 16th question. Who has given the concept of Khalsa? Answer: Guru Gobind Singh. Guru Gobind Singh has given the concept of Khalsa. Next question. Who wrote Arthashastra? Answer: Kaudilya. Kaudilya is the person who wrote Arthashastra. is also known as Chanakya. 18th question. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as Iron Man of India. 19th question. Who has given the concept of preface in Indian Constitution? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru has given the concept of preface in Indian Constitution. 20th question. When we observe the Red Cross Day? Answer: 8th May. On 8th May, we are observing the Red Cross Day. 21st question. Onam is the famous festival of which state? Answer: Kerala. So, Onam is the famous festival of Kerala. 22nd question. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Answer: Japan. Japan is known as the land of rising sun. 23rd question. When Delhi has become the capital of India? Answer: 1911 AD. Delhi became our capital in the year 1911. 24th question. Which planet is known as galaxy-like planet? Answer: Saturn. Saturn is known as galaxy-like planet. And here is our last question. Which is the largest satellite of solar system? Answer: Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest satellite of solar system, and Ganymede is the satellite of Jupiter. We know Jupiter is the largest planet in solar system, and Ganymede is the largest satellite of solar system. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and visit the channel for more videos.